Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiro, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking my video. Today I'm showing you how to cook dal, and you start off with onions and garlic and add a little bit of cooking vegetable oil, and then add half a cup of finely chopped celery and stir, then cover to let it cook. Once the onions are brown, add your chopped carrots and then add your vegetables, rather your colored peppers. For me, I went with the red and the yellow one, as you can see. So I added them and then stirred and let them cook a little bit. Once the vegetable wither a little bit, it's time to add the red lentils. I added 2 cups of red lentils, washed obviously. Then stir your lentils and then go in with your favorite spices. For me, I went with paprika, mixed spice, garlic, a little bit of ginger and turmeric. Stir a little bit. Then for the 2 cups of lentils, I went with 4 cups of water, or you can use broth. Salt to taste. After that, you can cover, and then when the water boils, just reduce your flame to low heat, and once it's all cooked after 30 minutes, it's time to add your coconut milk. I added half a liter of 500 ml of coconut milk, and this is the secret ingredient. It just makes it all so good. With dal, you can serve it with white rice, you can serve it with bread, you can serve it just as a soup, whichever way you like it. For me, I served it with white rice. Also, when it's boiled and you're ready to remove it, you can put a little bit of black pepper if you like spicy food, a little bit spicy. So look at this goodness, guys. It tasted so good, and as I told you before, I served it with white rice. For the garnish, I always go for coriander because I really love the smell and the taste of coriander. And that's it for the recipe today, guys. Please consider subscribing, like this video so that it can reach more people, and also support my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.